You check your stocks daily, you buy high in excitement and sell low in fear. One moment you're chasing tips from the internet. Next, you're watching your portfolio shrink just because the market took a turn. But what if there was a smarter way to invest? A way that not only protects you from panic, but actually unlocks higher potential rewards using proven strategies. Introducing Specialized Investment Funds or SIFs, a Securities and Exchange Board of India regulated investment format that gives you access to advanced tools like long-short equity, sector rotation, and multi-asset rebalancing. Tactics once reserved for hedge funds or institutions. Let's break it down. A Specialized Investment Fund, SIF, is a newly regulated investment product introduced by Securities and Exchange Board of India under the amended Securities and Exchange Board of India Mutual Fund Regulations. It offers a middle ground between mutual funds and high-ticket products like PMS and AIFs. With a minimum investment of 10 lakh rupees, they bring institutional-grade strategies to a broader set of investors, offering what Securities and Exchange Board of India calls regulated flexibility without compromising on discipline, disclosure, or risk control. Securities and Exchange Board of India launched SIFs with a clear and timely goal to bridge a critical gap in India's investment landscape. On one side, you have mutual funds, simple, low cost, but often limited in strategy. On the other, you have PMS and AIFs, rich in features and flexibility, but accessible only to ultra-high net worth investors. SIFs bring the best of both worlds, giving investors access to advanced strategies or factor-based models through a transparent, rule-driven framework, but in a regulated, more affordable format starting at 10 lakh rupees. Think of SIFs as the missing link, designed to empower savvy investors who want more control, more intelligence, and more transparency in how their money works. Specialized investment funds are still new, but they could be the future of investing in India. If you want to go beyond mutual funds but aren't ready for complex or expensive AIFs, SIFs might be your sweet spot. Like this video if you found it helpful. Comment below if you want us to deep dive into any SIF strategy. And don't forget to subscribe to SIF Insights, where we turn market complexity into clarity.